In this real review of WarriorPlus from the desk of Dawud Islam and Terry Till, launching on WarriorPlus today, August 24th, 2021. I want to purchase this and actually get this solo ad because just like you, I'm always looking for a good traffic source that works that I can make sales from. So before I buy it, let's take a look at this and see exactly what we're getting. Send an email to 31,574 members. Mail 43 websites in the MMO niche. All members are double opted in. Send any offer in any niche. This is a little confusing, seeing as how they're saying now I can send any offer in any niche, but the websites where the emails were collected for the 31,574 members were in the MMO niche. But anyway, we'll carry on. We will write the email for you if you need them to. Crazy value for under $10. No bot traffic. Evergreen offer, so apparently you can come back and you can keep buying this again and again. Not sure if the price will rise. We'll take a look at that. Includes thousands of proven buyers. And they also say here you get free squeeze pages included if you need them, but I'm hoping you already have an offer if you're looking for traffic. Here's the message from Dawud Islam and Terry Till telling you all about the offer. These are the types of people they're saying can profit from mailing to their email list, and then exactly what mailer list is. Of course, it's perfect for beginners. Now here is where you need to understand where this traffic is coming from, or where your email is going to go to, the members of all 43 of these sites. So I took a look at this first site, mytrafficpromos.com, the Elite Tigers Group Traffic Hub. Basically what you do is you join this site and then you build up credits based upon their credit system as you view ads inside of this, what they're calling a traffic exchange. You can simply go here and you can log up and you get access to all this. And if you wanted to sign up, which I suggest you do, actually go in, sign up, and see what exactly it is you're getting when you sign up as far as 100% free advertising system here at My Traffic Promos, so you can understand the traffic that you're going to be getting. And of course, I would take a look at all 43 of these sites and make sure you understand the type of traffic that you're going to be sending your solo ad to or your link to via their solo ads. Now this is a little confusing to me. I'm not sure why I need these 5 fast action bonuses when I'm just here to buy traffic. I understand from a marketing standpoint, they're trying to beef up the value they're giving you, but in reality, a bonus page builder, training for the lockdown formula, best ever bots training, FB Livewire, which teaches you how to expand and improve your social media marketing and how to create review sites is nothing I'm interested in. I'm interested in buying traffic, pushing a button and getting a solo ad sent to their list of 31,000 people for $9.95. Take note that the regular price of this is $197. I'm going to show you here in a second why that's important, where I show you a real case study of buying a solo ad from a trusted, proven vendor with a list of buyers for that exact price of $197. But for now, let's add this to cart and see exactly what we get after we purchase Mail Our Lists. There's a bump offer here. Say goodbye to tiny commissions with high ticket hotshot. Finally stop working hard for peanuts as you learn the secret to earning $5 to $1,000 per sale. Again, I'm not looking for training. I'm looking for traffic. I'm looking to buy and get the traffic as soon as possible. But before we go any further, speaking of traffic, I actually purchased traffic from Dawud Islam and a product that he sold called Place Your Link. How would you like to press one button and get free daily traffic to any link? That was July 10th, 2021. You can see my review here. I'll put a card up in the right-hand corner where you can check that out. I've also provided information on the number of clicks that I get here in the pinned comment. But to give you a little bit of a spoiler for that video, here's my link tracking software. You can see right here that I have a total of 27 clicks since I purchased that July 10th, 2021. Of course, if I go to Google and today's date, you can see today's date is Tuesday, August 24th, 2021. Now back to Mail Our List to complete our purchase to see what exactly is we're getting when we purchase this solo ad. We're processing your order. Please be patient. This could take up to 60 seconds. Then, of course, in traditional WarriorPlus funnel style, before we even get access to the traffic source and run our first solo ad, we are actually getting an offer to 10x our results. Of course, we don't have any results yet to 10x, but they offer you a deal here, and here's Dawud Islam explaining to you what you're going to spend $47 on, which is basically to get more solo ads. So while we're here, let's just run through the funnel real quick. The front end, of course, is Mail Our List, which is $9.95. OTO1, which is 5x more solo ads, you can get for 47 with a downsell of 27. OTO2, total traffic fix, a VIP upgrade at 43 of the sites. Those are the 43 sites that were on the page. You get to join all 43 of those for 197, or there's a downsell for 97. Then, of course, you can buy reseller rights, so you can sell all this as your own. Then there is Done For You weekly campaigns, where you can get sent 3 times Done For You campaigns each week. Again, more traffic, but you haven't seen how the traffic converts to your offer yet. And of course, take note that this requires Commission Gorilla, which is an additional investment on your part. And then OTO5, which is the Elite Academy Beta Tester, which is $997. And that's so you can join their Elite Traffic Academy, which is their high ticket program. So here we are, Mail Our List. Let's jump in and check out our purchase and see how this is going to work. Access your purchase. Then once you get inside of Mail Our List, after you create your account, you have a welcome video where you can join the YouTube channel, you can join the Facebook group, and then a welcome from Terry Till to follow his YouTube channel and also check out something called LifeWave. Then we come into Overview. We have a video here, which is 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then we have the main training section. Still haven't got to the point where we can just give them the information to run our solo, submit our solo ads. Here is the information. Here's how we're going to submit our solo ad. Send your solo ad to you, and they provide an email address. Include the subject line, the text for the email, and the URL you want people to visit. If you want us to compose your email, you must clearly state this when you write this to us, and you must include your URL. When sending your solo ad, you must include a copy of our Mail Our List front-end receipts. If you're submitting multiple ads, you must include your pro version receipt. Then they have a link to their support group. So that is how that goes, and we are going to try that and see how long it takes. And if you are interested, ask in the comments, and I will definitely come back and report exactly what happened with Mail Our List and the solo ad that I ran. Of course, there's other information here. You can join the sites. These are the 43 sites right here. You can click here and join all their sites. Some more information here on using the resources. Don't send traffic directly to a sales page with your super solo ad. So they're saying create a bridge page, how to promote, a few tips for promoting, additional resources, free squeeze pages. Click here, and it takes you over to sign up for someone else's offer. Of course, this offer is from Martin Chandler, so you'll go on his email list and you'll start receiving emails from him inside of that if you want that free resource. And then they have a conclusion here. Here is a conclusion video. Here are the bonuses, the page builder, the lockdown formula, best bots training. Again, not sure why anyone would be interested in these bonuses. They're here to buy a solo ad. They purchase a solo ad. They want their traffic. They're not looking for training on how to set up bots, set up Facebook pages and groups. They're also not here to set up a review site. Then, of course, you have your upgrades, and then you have your unadvertised bonuses, which all of these are links to all of these marketers that you see here, so you can join their email list and receive their emails to know more about offers like Mail Our List and the other offers that launch every day here on WarriorPlus. Now, back to Mail Our List and submit your solo ads. And I want to go back to Mail Our List sales page and talk about this solo email. The solo ad email, 31,574 people, is how many people are going to see your email or receive your email according to what they're saying here, and the fact that Dawud and Terry are currently charging $9.95 to do this, but they say the regular price here is $197. Now, I have my own PLR brands called 30 Minute PLR, and inside of the health niche, I have a product called Keto 101 for Boomers. This is the sales page for that, and basically what this is a set of lead magnets that you can buy and you can use as your own. I'm just showing you this for completeness so you understand this is a real $27 product that I sell on WarriorPlus as PLR. And I wanted to show you the offer stats for this very specific offer, Keto 101 for Boomers. And you can see the word Liz. That was a vendor that I purchased a solo ad, the exact same thing that you've bought or that I bought here inside of Mail Our List. This was literally where I paid a vendor inside of the PLR space to send an email to her list. And you can see the stats from that one email. 779 views, 232 visitors, 44 sales, for a total revenue of $528. Now, that solo ad cost me $197. Again, I paid this vendor $197 to send an email to her email list of targeted buyers for this offer, and these are the stats that I got. 232 visitors and 44 sales with a total sales of $528. So this is what I would expect from this type of offer if they really do sell this and it really does convert at $197. They're just giving it to me at this super low time launch price, which I purchased. Then these are the kind of stats that I would expect if my offer is on point, meaning it's targeted at the Make Money Online niche. Even though in the Mail Our List sales page, they say you can send any offer in any niche to this list, but these websites where the emails were collected are in the MMO niche, meaning that these 31,574 members are in the MMO niche. So again, back to my offer, PLR, very targeted, a real solo ad from a real vendor with a targeted list, an email that I paid $197 for, 232 visitors, 44 sales, $528 in revenue generated from that one solo ad that was mailed for this product from that targeted email list. And mailer list is being touted as targeted at the MMO niche and a list of 31,574 people. So again, if you would like to see my results, go ahead, let me know in the comments. I'll set this up, send it to a targeted Make Money Online offer, and see the type of results that I get. And I'll report back here with another video to let you know exactly how this worked out for me. If this video is helpful, thumbs up, 30-minute timer here in the middle of the screen. Click it, subscribe to the channel. Check out the video here on the end screen with more awesome content just like this one. Click it, watch it, see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.